Welcome back to Garage K. My name is Dave and this is my Toyota Altezza. I want to introduce you to this. This is a part that I designed and made. This is a TPS Relocate for the Panic ITBs. It has mounting holes on the front and mounting holes on the back. If you want to lock it, you could run a bolt right through and put a nut on the back if you wanted to. 2 bolts in the front, 2 bolts in the back, whatever tickles your fancy. It secures on with the stock bolts, and the stock bolts are nice and countersunk like that. Another feature of this is that it has a bearing recess. This is just a regular skate bearing and it presses in here like that. It's a good fit. There we go. Seated. It also has press-in slots for the nuts on the back to hold on the TPS. This is nice. Fits very, very nicely. So those go in like that. Press the nuts in from the back. These just pull in as you tighten it up. You will not damage anything by doing that. We'll just line it up with the hole. Tighten this up. It is a press fit, so it will not fall out under normal circumstances, and these just go up tight-ish, sort of that, and that's on. This is the thing that drives the TPS, but it does something else as well. Notice the D shaft is there. Notice that D shaft is there. If I was to bolt this on, it's going to point in this direction. That's not ideal, is it? What this does is when you bolt it on, see, it flips at 180 degrees. Which means now, when you bolt it on, it points down, which is much nicer in my opinion. It's snug, but not tight. There is no slop in it. This is designed to be a good fit for the bearing. This area here is the correct diameter to line up with the inside race. It has a cutout and a ramp here to allow for the spring to pass smoothly. Speaking of the spring, this section here is raised around the hole to allow for the standard spring mount to sit on there and spin freely. As far as hardware goes, I haven't organized anything pretty yet. I'm just using shit that I had. I have had to tap these holes. This only fits on one way, so you can't mess it up. As an added bonus, if you use a screw that's slightly longer on this hole here, it actually works as a throttle stop. This is very, very easy to put on, so we line this up where it should be. This just slots over there like that. This lines up like that. Push it in on this location here until it doesn't move anymore, and you'll see that these holes are lined up. The bolts of your choice. The ones that came with it are fine. If you want to run bolts from the back, you can. Keep in mind that if you're going to use the holes from the back, you might need to run a tap the whole way through. Mine weren't tapped the whole way through, which was kind of weird. The bolts wouldn't go in. If you pull on it, it will wiggle. If it wiggles, that will not affect how it functions at all. And I'm pulling on that quite hard and it isn't snapping, so we're okay there too. Look at the way it lines it up. I think that's way better, and it just functions. Now you might not be able to see it on camera, but I can see it, so I'll tell you about it. This does actually move slightly, and I put that down to something here not being perfectly perpendicular to this wall here. Perhaps the plastic of this warped while I was printing it. I couldn't tell you where it comes from, but it is gonna be fine. Even if this was to be quite a distance away, it's not going to affect anything in here because it bolts to this throttle wheel. Like, imagine if this wire was slightly off perfectly straight. It's going to pull this on a diagonal, right? Is that going to damage anything in here? No. You don't have to line it up with a laser or anything else. You just get it, you eyeball it, right? So this is going to be fine. The back didn't go without modification as well. Because I took the TPS off the back, then the shaft was open to air, and I didn't like that. This is the block off plate. It's just a dust cover. See that little cap in there? Yeah, it's all just nice. Oh, how easy is it to connect it? Like, it's just that. No climbing over the back there, worrying about the water hoses. It's right there. Because it's all black, because it points down now instead of up, it sort of just disappears.